Let him get it. Gary? Let him get it. Alright, get it.
Wait a minute, I'm gonna open it.
Okay.
He's like, where's my present?
He loves presents. He opens his Christmas
Oh,
present.
SpongeBob!
He says, what'd we get, RJ?
Lego.
Lego SpongeBob,
get?
Mama.
Yes. He goes,
Grandpa.
let me open the box.
Stop opening.
Now that's a smart dog.
Give me the next one. Give me the next one.
Alright, you have to open it. Open the card.
Oh, this is a Green Lantern card. See what
Alright, it says.
Wait a minute.
Get the present. Get the present.
I said that.
Bring.
Look at him. He goes, I'll take these.
I'm gonna cry.
Thank
I'm
you,
gonna cry.
Chat. Thank you.
You said wave power Green Lantern's white.
You gotta read it, man. Hey.
Get the present, Jet. Get the present.
Hey.
A new
No,
helmet?
no,
RJ.
look, Jet found the present.
A mask? I got a new helmet.
There you go.
Oh.
Oh.
There's no more in there?
Wait.
RJ, what do you say?
That was from Uncle Eric, Aunt Barb, and Devin, and Mac. Hey.
Give me the
Jet's
present.
excited for the present. Jet.
Allison, I'm
You need to get your card.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Yeah.
That
I'm
sounds.
getting the mask out.
He licked the camera lens.
You set?
So he's like, no, I can open presents.
Stay.
I'm not gonna get a.
RJ, you needed a new helmet because you outgrew yours. You gotta ride your bike, right?
Dad, this is the seal.
The shield. The seal.
Stuck in the bag.
Boy.
Oh.
Dad.
We ripped the bag.
Ah.
RJ, open the rest.
Just wait. Open the rest.
Nice.
Yes, I've been waiting for one.
Jet, come here. Come here.
What's this?
Lay down.
Tin garbage.
Oh.
White and blue.
Here's your card. Hey.
Well,
You have to read the